So next week we're taking it to the track. And we're gonna be co-driving it. He's gonna be driving it. This is gonna be my first time driving the Evo. His brake fluids are a year old, and he's using the racing brake fluids, so it's time to change. In case you guys didn't know, that racing brake fluids actually have a way higher boiling point than regular brake fluids, so it's more ideal for racetrack events. If your brake fluid starts boiling, you'll pretty much have brake fade and air in the system, and you won't be able to stop. So that's the reason why we use racing brake fluid. But when you do use racing brake fluid, it is more susceptible to water, to moisture, and everything in the air, and you will have to change it every year, or else it's gonna go bad. And water in the system, water boils a lot quicker than brake fluid, so we don't want that. So last time he used the RBF 600, and then this time we're gonna change it to the Castrol SRF racing brake fluid. The Evo 10 does not have the conventional bleeding sequence, so we're gonna go through it with you guys and show you how to properly bleed at the Evo 10. So in a regular car, you just look for your ABS system, and then you start from the farthest to the closest, right? So that would be like the driver rear, and then the passenger rear, and then the front driver, then passenger front. But on the Evo, it's actually the driver rear, then you do the passenger front, and then you do passenger rear, and then the driver front. So that's going to be the sequence.
Yeah, what glove were you tore?
Small holler.
Yeah, no, I can't go for it.
What brand is that? With the Evo, it has the dual piston Brembos, and it has 2 bleeder valves, inside and outside.
Yeah, outside and inside.
And
outside first.
And so when you bleed these, you actually start with the outside first, and then you bleed the inside. Go ahead and take these bleeder valve covers off. So here's the brake reservoir for the Evo 10. Since we are going to be using this brake fluid bleeder kit from Harbor Freight, it is constantly going to suck the fluid out when we open the system. We have to make sure that we never let this become empty, because it will put air into the system. Alright, so Bernard's job is going to be keep an eye on the reservoir and keep it full. If it's getting too low really fast, he'll let me know so I can close the valve and he can refill and catch up. One down, 3 more to go. All right.
Yeah, bro, your released too fast. I've already turned it up.
Almost broke your car.
Leave it. Battle scars.
Yeah, dude.
Battle scars was just.
These cars aren't show cars for a reason. Alright, now we're in the front passenger side. Take these covers off. check out his brake caliper. This used to be red. So much heat. That's how you can tell he's been pushing this car. It's black now. Two birds with one stone. Go ahead and change his oil.
Yeah, the last track day, I just now started using WD-40.
So that's it. WD-40 is lubricant.
I mean, well, I just saw it. Not WD-40.
Yeah. Magnetic drain plug. Probably get one. Front's done. Yeah. Front passenger's done. But I feel
There's like usually 5 or 8 cars at a time.
you could have just gone there instead.
I'm paying $200 though.
Dude, we're paying $200 for it.
This is tractor with the Z12. Yeah.
Bare hands, right?
Hey, my. What's torque spec?
Dude, I got you, bro. I got you right there. See? Dude, that's what I'm here for.
That looks milky.
Right on the left side, there's the driver front. Since it is the closest to the ABS system or the brake master cylinder, it's going by a lot faster than the rear. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope you guys learned that not all cars are actually the same when you're bleeding the brakes. But if you guys like it, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you.